Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello, aspiring chefs. In this video, I will explain how to make salmon with Minestrone in Cookingdom. We begin by preparing our star ingredient, the salmon. Carefully clean your salmon fillet, ensuring all bones are removed and pat it dry. Next, season both sides with a good pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Then, place it on the grill and cook until it achieves a beautiful golden brown sear, indicating it's perfectly cooked through and ready for the next step. Now, let's turn our attention to the flavorful minestrone base. Begin by finely chopping your aromatic vegetables, such as garlic, ginger, and a small onion. Heat a pan with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then add your chopped vegetables and sauté them until they become tender and fragrant. Introduce a handful of fresh shellfish to the pan, allowing their briny essence to infuse the minestrone, creating a rich and complex flavor profile for our dish. With both components ready, it's time to bring our dish together. First, ladle the warm, fragrant minestrone into a suitable serving bowl, filling it about 2/3 full. Next, carefully transfer your beautifully seared salmon fillet and place it directly onto the minestrone. For an added touch of sophistication and depth, incorporate a small amount of white wine into the minestrone, allowing its subtle notes to complement the rich flavors of the seafood and vegetables. To complete your culinary masterpiece, focus on the final presentation. Garnish your dish with a sprinkle of fresh, finely chopped herbs like parsley or dill, adding a touch of color and freshness. A thin lemon wedge placed artfully on the side offers a bright, zesty counterpoint. Serve your salmon with minestrone immediately to savor its warmth and the harmonious blend of flavors. Congratulations, you've successfully crafted a delightful dish in Cookingdom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.